Fellow Sierra Leoneans, this is not my first time for do a video for talk on issues here for do with national concern. I feel compelled for do this at this time because of certain circumstances where I will disclose now. But we all dinner the country, we follow event and we see waiting they happen. We see how things they go on at the country, and as a civil society advocate, somebody will believe say we get a duty for articulate the wishes and aspirations of the masses of this country. We don't make a pledge to ourselves for them fearlessly. We all see the independence celebration, how we go on. Firstly, me hold the view that Sierra Leone independent. When you talk about independence therefore do with freedom for them to take political, social, economic, and cultural decisions without the influence of any external force. But Sierra Leone still face difficulty in all of the areas there. So, economically, we now get the strength for carry out even projects without we not get support from other people. We're so dependent on outsiders and for we things in this country. Politically, we actions in this country, most decisions they be influenced by the international community. We all don't see how even the past elections people can get a view that now the international community then determine who for be president in this country. These are all pointers to the fact that we're still dependent. We see how the international community play a role through the IMF for ensure that they remove subsidies on fuel in this country and where it cause hardship on Sierra Leoneans today. Socially, we still get challenges with social amenities. A person is sick in our house right now, so we get kidney problem and a person travel with out of the country. So culturally, we're not able to even place a clear hand on waiting at the culture of this country. We still they borrow from the international community. We still borrow from a counterpart in Ghana, Nigeria, and what have you. How they dress, what they do, and all of what have you. So this make we very dependent. So me not feel say we independent as a nation. What we celebrate now resilience. As a nation, we don't come a very long way. We don't get 11 years of rebel war because of work on Sierra Leoneans. We don't get a mudslide. We don't get Ebola. We ravage this country seriously. So all of them tears so we don't even stand strong as a nation. But one thing we really don't really beat me imagination in all of this. In this 58th year celebration, President Bio in government decided for left this celebration in the hands of INWEF, Madam Fatima Bio. Whilst I respect the First Lady in office, whilst I want the First Lady to be supportive to a man in presidency, but we need to make them things here very clear and for let President Bio understand this. And I wish this video will reach President Bio. I hope and pray that this video will make will reach President Bio at the end of the day. The running of a government, the running of a state, not to like where you run your home. Your wife for be somebody where they run you home and not supposed to run your state, the government of Sierra Leone. More often than not, we don't see President Bio the left key state functions in the hands of INWEF, and we see how at the end of the day it end up for be a mess, total mess in this country. We see the inauguration ceremony, inauguration of President Bio, and eventually a national event, not even political party event, was handed over to the First Lady. We see the kind of hue and cry come out of her from Sierra Leoneans. We see how President Bio left a whole independence celebration in the hand of INWEF again, INWEF in social club, where they call JMB Babes. JMB Babes not even a subset of the SMB party, Women's Wing. This is now a group of women then, we have Madam Fatima Bio in party them. We are SMB supporters. Now they just gather themselves and decide to say they will celebrate. They will form committee for celebrate this country in 50th anniversary. This is very unfortunate for this country. This not to banana families, not to them personal property, not to family property, not to family property. This na a nation wey comprise of people from different backgrounds. We get people wey come from the north, the east, the south, and west. We get Mendes, Timnis, Limbas, Locos, and what have you. We have APC, SNP, NGC, PDP, IUFP from different political parties, celebrating an anniversary of a nation for be an event will be carried out with a national face and not a political party face, not to talk of a social club of the president in WEF. This is now an insult to all Sierra Leoneans. And somebody need to tell the president this thing also. This president worship, this label, this sycophants in this country, and don't make people they become dictators in this country. Leaders they become dictators. People are not able to tell leaders the truth. And I pray that this video will reach President Bio at the end of the day. Let them therefore take the people of this country for granted. Such an event will not create a platform for national cohesion, for unify this country. Since President Bio take over this government, we only get series of tension, we don't get a tense atmosphere. 30 days without an election day. Programs like this will expect President Bio for form committee where we will draw people from different facets of society. For look into how they for celebrate this thing, for celebrate or even in for getting national dialogue. Invite people from different political parties, former leaders. Let me chart the way forward to this country in development. But when people they present a picture as if when they don't take over power, it's all a family property, they call their own close friends, making them give them positions. When tell it for take actions or for celebrate a country in independence, they take and left and get away from them. Or their family or their party them. It is bad. These are the things we don't make this country go beyond. And President Bio in speech in the independence on the day of independence at the highest degree of hypocrisy we don't see. For like President Bio, they try to present a picture of fostering national cohesion, peace, and tolerance in the country. But in actions, they speak different. As civil society, we want for use this opportunity, this platform. Maybe I'm going to use this platform now more often for the personal messages because of obvious reasons. We want to see a state where will be representative of the wishes and aspirations of the people of this country. Where leaders will take people seriously, then will respect Sierra Leoneans. We want to know what they cause this hardship in this country, not only propaganda. What do they see in this government are more of propaganda than action. We will see that they pay more attention on playing on the hearts and minds of Sierra Leoneans than doing the things that will better the lives of Sierra Leoneans. People they go to bed hungry. These are the key issues they want for me to address. And for now they get issues like this they come on. It is unfortunate, and we want let this thing also go down, let it reach the last person, say to President Bio, that we are going to use this platform now for big personal messages, and I hope Sierra Leoneans then will share this thing far and wide. That we are not happy a country's independence will be left in the hands of the First Lady and in them. You see how messy the whole thing be, how stadium was so empty, it just make mockery of this country. Somebody need to tell the president this truth, and I feel say who get that duty today for say that. The day we stop for talk the truth, and the day some of we will then grave. I hope this video will go far and wide and it will meet the president. Let God bless you.